how to create a portfolio using Canva. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create a portfolio using Canva. So let's jump straight into it. Building a portfolio is one of the best ways to showcase your skills, experiences, and achievements, whether you want to impress potential clients, land your dream job, or simply keep track of your growth. Now, the best part, with Canva, making a professional looking portfolio is simple, fast, and beginner friendly. No design experience, no problem. Let's get started. First, head over to Canva's website and make sure you're logged in. If you don't have an account yet, signing up will only take a minute. Once you're in, go to the search bar at the top of the page and type portfolio. You'll see a variety of pre-designed templates made specifically for portfolios, giving you a head start in your design journey. Take your time to scroll through the templates. Each one is crafted by professional designers to help inspire you and guide your layout. Pick a template that matches your style or fits the theme you want for your portfolio. When you find one you like, click it and then select Customize this template. This is where your creativity comes alive. Inside Canva's editing interface, everything is intuitive. Start with your visuals, swap out placeholder images for your own photos or work samples. Click on the image you want to change, then upload from your device or choose from Canva's vast library of free and premium images. With just a few clicks, your portfolio begins to reflect your unique identity and personal style. Next, focus on your text. Click on any text box and start adding your information, your name, a short bio, your skills, achievements, or experiences that highlight your strengths. Keep your text clear, concise, and engaging. You want your audience to quickly grasp what makes you stand out. Once your portfolio feels ready, it's time to share it with the world. Click the Share button in the top right corner. From here, you can download your portfolio in PDF, JPEG, or PNG format depending on where you plan to showcase it. Choose the format that ensures the best clarity and quality for your audience. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.